To remove the plow, turn the ignition on, turn your controller off with your ignition still on. Right here you have your yellow, or excuse me, your orange and your black connected. This will make your plow work while it's on the vehicle. To remove the plow, you take your orange off of your common. So now you remove this orange. When you remove this, you have to have the controller off. Then to lower and raise the plow off the back here, off the hook, you take your black or your common and go up and down. So yellow is down, gray is up, touching your common. And that's how you remove the Blizzard plow. Once you have it mounted, then you reconnect your orange and your black and connect those permanently, and then turn your plow on with the controller and it will work as intended.